Hi, today I'm focusing on planning for literacy within multidisciplinary unit plans. As English is the second language for the students in Hong Kong, having strong English reading and communication skill are the heart of all the subjects. Why integrate literacy across subjects are so important. Literacy skills, including reading, writing, speaking, and listening, are not just for the English class. We see them everywhere. For example, reading lab reports in science, analyzing sources in history, or solving word problem in math. Also, if our unit plans weave in these skills, students have more way to succeed. For instance, group discussions in math help the student express their reasoning clearly. Next, what is the process and purpose of reading? When students encounter tests in any subject, they go through three stages. The first stage is decoding, which is converting symptoms to sound and word. The second stage is understanding, which is constructing meaning from tests. And the third stage is reflecting, which is about connecting ideas to pure knowledge. For practical applications, I may ask students to read an articles about science, underline new vocabulary, and summarize the main idea in one sentence. This way, they practice comprehension that matters far beyond English class. Next, what is methodology and contextual analysis? Methodology is breaking words down help the students unlock the meaning. For example, teach the prefix unhappy, rewrite roots like by biology, geography, and suffixes like hopeful, less, careless. For the contextual analysis, which is using surrounding text to infer meaning. When a new word pops up like he felt melancholy after the typhoon destroyed his neighborhood, I will ask students to use clues in the sentence to guess what melancholy means. By using the text context clues, they can deduce melancholy means sadness. This practice is useful in all reading-heavy subjects. Next, what is phonemic awareness practices? It is a sound skills that are huge for reading across subjects. We can do syllable clipping for words like biology or photosynthesis, tongue twitters like sailors sail speed swiftly, and make the sound patterns fun. Also, have students group science words by their first sound activities, like this academics vocabulary stick. Next, how to leverage home language for phonics. Don't forget the student first language. It is a great foundation. For example, I compare the word sales between Chinese and English and discuss similar sounds and meanings. When we honor what the student already know, literacy growth is even stronger, and language transform becomes a bridge, not a barrier. For effective comprehension components, we can build comprehension in three phases. First, pre-reading, we can activate pure knowledge and preview vocabulary. Second, during reading, we monitor understanding and ask questions. And third, post-reading, we summarize, reflect, and connect. For example, some of the Comprehension chart strategies can be asked in the following questions, such as what did you learn? What's the problems or solution? How does this connect? This really helps students link ideas across units and sub. Next, best practices for diverse learners. Every class has students with different needs, especially learning difficulties or dyslexia. We can use visual support like concept maps or color codes to help everyone track contents. Also, we can organize activities where students work in pairs or groups so they can learn from each other. Another way we can break the long passage into small parts, pausing often to check for understanding, as well as scaffolding like this open up success to all learners for classroom applications. For example, unit planning steps. When planning a unit, start by teaching key vocabulary with visuals. Next, use group work such as the jigsaw methods, where each group learns part of the topics and then teaches their classmates. Third, provide models, sentence frames, and graphic organizer for practice. And finally, throughout the unit, we can quick chat and celebrate when the students make progress. Finally, summary and takeaways. We can build literacy in every subject and every lesson. Second, combine strategies by using direct teachings, real practice, lots of support, and celebrate students' home language ability. Third, we should stay flexible, reflect on what works, and keep making small improvements. That's how we can build literacy success in every multidisciplinary unit. Thank you.